Do you want to know how to get bookings for UGC and get contracted so you've got a monthly retainer? Then listen to this. I made one ad for a contracting company that does home remodeling. And within the first day of running an ad that they paid me $165 to make, they landed a $35,000 job. That's right, $150 for them turned into $35,000 for their company. You don't think you can go to your local companies and start talking to them and say, hey, I'll make you some ads. And if you know digital marketing, you can even run the ads for them on TikTok. All you have to do is land one job and they're gonna happily want to pay you $5,000 to $6,000 to do some ads for them and maybe manage their account. Don't know how to manage a digital marketing account? Don't worry about it. You can still talk them into doing the ads because they probably have some kind of ad campaign going on anyway. And the ads they're making might not work that well. So it's really a no-brainer. If you can do an ad for somebody, you're more than happy to get $4,000 to $5,000 retainer to make ads for them a month. They make hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales they wouldn't have had otherwise. It's a win-win. You could probably even make a guarantee for them. They don't land a gig. They spent X amount running their ads on TikTok and Facebook, and they don't make a couple sales. They don't have to pay you for the ads. It's a slam dunk. Why wouldn't somebody want to pay you $5,000 a month if you can bring them $100,000 in extra business? If you can get just 2 accounts like that, you're going to make over $100,000 a year for a couple hours of work a week. I know, crazy, right? Follow me for more tips and DM me if you want my help on how to get bookings being a UGC creator. I look forward to hearing from you.